Yeah, over downtown Omaha, it's all about the cold. Temperatures early this morning, now below zero, blowing snow at Heppley all morning, but those north winds at about 20 miles an hour sustained bring that feels like temperature to 25 below zero. Remember, at that level, frostbite in as little as 20 minutes. We could see some wind chills as cold as 30 below in western Iowa. And that means frostbite in as little as 15 minutes. So temperatures below zero across the entire metro area. Wind chills where we're reporting a wind between 20 and 25 below. And we're going to stay that way all the way through about 9 o'clock. Those 20 to 25 below wind chills in Omaha. By noon, feeling like about 15 below. Still very uncomfortable. Still worth having all the winter weather accessories, hat, gloves, scarf, big winter jacket. You heard Aaron just talking about that. This afternoon, wind chills top out a few degrees below zero. Widespread wind chills across the Central Plains between 20 and 25 below zero. So if you're doing any traveling today, you need that winter preparedness kit in your car. Make sure you do have extra blankets and jackets inside your car no matter where you're going early this morning. Clouds swinging through right now, a couple of flurries around Des Moines, but even these clouds are going to disappear as we go through the afternoon. And we're left with a lot of cold sunshine, a huge cold air mass across the middle of the country that'll sag eastward. And that warmer air across the western U.S., well, it's on its way in here this weekend, or later this week. This weekend, we're dealing with a chance of snow, and there's good agreement. There's going to be a heavy snow band somewhere across Nebraska and Iowa Sunday into Monday. That's the GFS forecast. There's the European computer model forecast. Pretty good agreement there. But here in Omaha, across a lot of the KETV viewing area, it's looking more like a rain to snow transition as we go into Sunday. Between now and then, one more cold morning coming up tomorrow. We're at 30 in the afternoon, 43 on Thursday, and 50 on a Friday. I will take that. 44 Saturday, and then with cooler air coming in on Sunday, we have that rain changing over to snow.